What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play A La Ammoniaque by PNL. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. You're using 4 different chords. If you need the diagrams for them, they will be in the description below. All the chord diagrams are in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. 100% free. I give it away on the channel in every single video. It's in the description below, as well as the tab for the song that I made will also be down there in the description. So if you need either of those, check the description once you get done with the song. We're starting out with an A minor. It's going to be 002210. And then a G, I play it as 3-0-0-0-3-3. Then an F chord, it's going to be 1-3-3-2-3-3. And then E major, 0-2-2-1-0-0. Those are the only chords you need to know. After that, the picking is very, very simple. So you're going A minor to start, and you're going A string, E string, B string. So then for your G chord, you're going E, B, G, E. So again, E, B, G, E. Then for your F chord, you're going E, B, G. And then for your E chord, you're going E, B, G, E. Same as your G chord. E, B, G, E. So all together slowly, it's gonna look like this. And that's it. That just repeats throughout the entire song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.